New in the Murdaugh murder trial, today jurors heard key evidence, including Alex's suspected movements during the night his wife and son were killed. Our Jason Raven tells us more as the state rests its case.
After dozens of witnesses were called to the stand, hundreds of pieces of evidence were admitted. State prosecutors rested their case against disbarred South Carolina attorney Alex Murdaugh today. Friday afternoon, the state of South Carolina rested its case against Alex Murdaugh.
In the matter of the indictments of the defendant Alex Murdaugh for the murders of his wife Maggie and his son Paul, the state of South Carolina rests.
A comprehensive timeline of Murdaugh's movements the night of the murders was shared with jurors. It recapped cell phone evidence shared in court a few weeks ago, and new GPS data from Murdaugh's vehicle was unveiled for the first time. This was sent to investigators late last week. According to SLED Special Agent Peter Rudolph, Murdaugh's car passed the area where Maggie's phone was found the night of the murders. When it got close to that area, it slowed down and then sped up. Rudolph also testified Murdaugh called 911 about 20 seconds after arriving at the dog kennels, after Murdaugh told police he found Paul and Maggie's bodies.
What, if anything, in his statements to law enforcement did the defendant say about what he did when he arrived at the scene?
The defendant stated that he went and checked on Paul and Maggie to check the bodies.
And from the moment the Suburban arrived at the kennels, how long did it take for that 911 call to be made?
Less than 20 seconds.
Jurors were also shown Murdaugh's step data once again from his cell phone. It showed an increase in activity about 15 minutes after prosecutors believe Paul and Maggie were killed. Rudolph also testified about a voicemail Paul had left for Alec about his drug use from May 2021.
It says, "I am still in EB because when you get here, we need to talk. Mom found several bags of pills in your computer bag."
The jurors were also shown Google searches on Maggie's phone about markings on pills. Now, Murdaugh's attorneys began laying out their case to convince the jury Murdaugh is innocent Friday afternoon. Their first witness was the coroner of Colleton County. In Walterboro, Jason Raven, 7 News.
And a reminder, you can stay up to date on the Alex Murdaugh murder trial on air, online at WSBA.com, and on our free 7 News app.